Welcome home to the BRIX, a highly sought-after complex in the charming Cedar Cottage neighbourhood. This 3-story, 3-bedroom and 2 full bathroom townhome has an optimal floor plan with the first level featuring 9-foot ceilings, wood floors and an open concept. The spacious dining room and living room showcase floor-to-ceiling windows, as well as a cozy gas fireplace. There are a total of 3 outdoor spaces, with a private back patio that has been customized with a cedar enclosure, slate tile floors, making it a perfect place to entertain family and friends. The modern kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, a gas stove, and stone countertops. The second level offers 2 bedrooms, each with a picturesque window seat and ample closet space. Plus, there's a 4-piece bathroom with a soaker tub, high-quality cabinetry, and marble countertops. On the top floor, you will find plenty of closet space, a den or a flex room, which could be converted to a walk-in closet or a nursery, as well as a master bedroom which features a luxurious ensuite bathroom with a double-wide walk-in shower and 2 shower heads. The top floor is filled with natural light from its east-facing patio, an ideal space to cultivate a home garden. The BRIX is steps away to Brewers Park and trendy cafes and shops on Commercial Street, plus it's only minutes to Trout Lake, the Nanaimo SkyTrain station, and to Commercial Drive.